Thanks so much, Colin. Now, hot topic of the day, guys. Should a bride have to wear white?
I don't think so.
I think it's a beautiful, wonderful tradition.
Why?
Because it's tradition.
Listen, this is the thing. This is what women do. The dress has to be white, it has to be this, it's gotta be fluffy, it's gotta be all these things, and all of a sudden, you get a $10,000 dress, or sometimes a $20,000 dress, and in some cases, a $100,000 dress. And what is the point?
Other than reality TV
No,
show.
but I'm just saying, even the average bride spends thousands of dollars on a dress they wear one day. They throw it in the closet.
Throw on any old thing and go for it. What's wrong with the white dress? I wore a white dress at our wedding.
You actually wore an ivory dress, my dear.
Oh.
But that's beside the point.
I'm sorry. My bolero was white.
It's
My
like
dress was
shades
white
of
with
white.
ivory. She had a problem with how I dressed on our wedding day.
No, but why does it have to be white? Why can't it just be blue? Why can't it be a color that actually looks good on people?
Traditionally, blue was wedding color.
Yeah, and then what happened? You girls just all got together over pedicures, and you're like, let's just make what's the color that'll stain the most?
How sexist can you get?
So I could have said that about guys. I could have said we all got together over pedicures. Why not? Sure, we didn't get the polish on, but we could have still soaked our feet.
Because you know what? White.
Are you trying to say that men can't soak their feet?
White represented the purity of girlhood and the fact you're now giving your heart to the one you chose in the
I've been to a lot of weddings, and I could tell you that some of those would not be wearing white. Just saying.
We're going based on reputation.
Reputation. I'm like, yeah, that girl. Yeah, she's wearing white, but.
Guys, tell us what you think about this hot topic. Hit us up at Marc and Mandy Show. We're now going to check in with celebrity event planner Mindy Weiss.
Thanks for watching the Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.